Hello student, again I welcomes all of you, myself Roshan, and today I am going to teach you about the computer. You everyone are very eager to know about the computer. Computers are useful regularly in our daily life. Everyone wants to work over the computer because computers is very interesting topic for you. What do you mean by the computer? You are seeing the image, you are watching the image on that board. Everyone already know about the computer, but the detailed information related to that computer I will explain in detail in front of you today. Today the computer subject are very interesting subject for the student of every age because computer is very essential in every field. First of all, I will show you the definition of computer. Okay, the definition of computer says us that the computer is an electronic device. What I am saying again, computer is an electronic device which can perform both the mathematical and logical operations. You already aware about mathematical operations like addition, means to add the numbers or add something. Subtraction means to remove something. You already know about multiplication and division. These are the operations like mathematical operations: division, multiplication, subtraction and addition. Instead of that type of operation, many operations can be performed with you on pen and paper. But in world there are so many complications and so many operations are there. These are very complicated. The complicated problem can also be solved by the computer because computer is a machine. First we think about the machine. What you mean by the machine? In our home we see regularly fan. Fan gives the air. Fan gives us the air. We can get very comfortable under the fan. We have the refrigerator at our home. It's also a machine. This machine helps us to get the cold water and ice. Also we can preserve foods and fruits and some extra regular items that we want to eat or use in the next time. It can be preserved for some day inside the refrigerator. Also we use the mixer grinder at our home. It is also the machine. Like that, computer is also a machine. Computer is not a person, it is a machine. So it is useful for a long time. We can use it unlimited of time because it do not get tired. It do not get tired, and it can work tremendously. It works lot of for you because it's a machine. We have heard about robots. Okay, so what are the robots? The robotic technology designed with the help of computer. How can we create a programs? How can we create a softwares? How can we create a images? How can we use the documents created by other peoples? How can we send some letters and some images or some videos to our friend? We can send it over the internet with the help of computer. So computer is very essential thing in our regular daily life. Okay, so first you think about the computer, and computer is a very well performed machine that will help in your daily life as your routine. I will tell you why we use the computer. My next question is why we use the computer. First we think what was the need to design the computer. Designing the computer was very hard at that time. We don't know what was the exactly time, but as per the theory, Charles Babbage was the father of the computer. He gives us many things. He has derived the mechanism to start the computer. He has designed some works in his life. After Charles Babbage, there was many scientists who were worked on that particular topic called computer. What was the need that time? Before some years, people were using the calculator. Calculator was using, and right now we are also using the calculator at our home, at the shops. We see regularly in our routine life. Calculators helps us to calculate something. We can do some operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. But with that, inside the calculator there is not a memory space for storage our required result inside it. But we can store our result inside the computer. Computer also calculate and store the data. So our data againly and repeatedly we can use again and again. Means to get back to our work and continue it after that. So for that we can use the Excel software inside the computer and many softwares. I will tell you in the next videos. I will show you some practicals also. Okay. First of all, we are inside the computer needs. So what is the need of computer? First need we have learned. After that, some peoples were using some files for documentation. After computer development, they were using the computer and process their data inside the computer, and they can preserve the data for the years, for many years. So that time the data could be useful many years, and data can be edited and changed time by time. So that time computer was very essential. Right now the computers are very much useful in all over the field. You are the childs. What is your need about the computer? You can watch the movies, educational movies are available over the internet. You can watch over the internet. Also, you can listen musics on the computer. With that, you can do other work also. Means computer is useful to do more than one operations at the same time. Means you can listen to music. On the same time, you can type some document, or you can mail someone, or you can use any of the software in the computer. Background, you can listen to music. That time you will not be bored on the computer. Computer is entertainment thing. At the time of boring, we can use computer for getting entertainment. Computer is very attractive. Right now we are using very attractive computers available in markets. We can use the computers as per our need. In the market there are different types of computer, but as per our economic condition we can buy the computer at very lowest cost. Computers are available nearly 10,000 rupees, and we can use our mobile as the computer also. Many of the mobile apps will helps you to use the computer type of view. So computer is very essential thing in our routine life. We can entertain, we can work in every field of computer. Computers also gives us the job opportunity. We can do online job also, or if we have got a degree from a reputed college, then after getting the degree we can go to the higher company with the better knowledge of the computer. If you are having the good knowledge about the computer, you will be given a preference in that company. If there are so many interviewers and you are one of them, then that time you will get a success. You can make many type of data, and also you can save every type of information inside the computer. Why we save the information inside the computer? Sometimes we requires any of the file that has been removed from your mobile, or that has been removed by your cupboard, and that file is very important. You can get that file from that computer, because computer stores the data for long time. There are many options I will teach you in many videos how can we store the data, how can we manage our computer, how can we prevent our computer from the viruses. I will teach you. Don't be bothered about that. I will teach you in my next lectures, and there is very effective place available for the computer beginners. You are the computer beginners student. I will teach you everything. Day by day I will create the videos for you, and I hope you will enjoy my videos, and also you can give me the response by comment. My channel is Kotari School Nandura, through which you can activate or you can subscribe my channel. Okay student, we will meet once again in the next video. I am thankful to you for watching my video. Thank you.